Hi students, finally IPM Indore has released their forms. IIM Indore has released their forms and you are expected to fill the form for IPM Indore. So here I am today to help you fill the form, and form filling for Indore, you should take it very seriously whenever you are filling any form for any exam, and same applies for the Indore also. Make sure you are very meticulous and we are very concentrated throughout the process of form filling, because even a single mistake might have the chances of uh, might might give you chance, might give you problems in admission time. So you ensure that whatever the details that you give, they are all accurate according to the certificates and the rules that you have, right? So let's start now. So here I am using Google Chrome, right? Whenever you are trying to fill the form, make sure you use laptop, don't use mobile, because most of the user interface will not be that feasible in mobile, but it will be working very well in the laptop. And in the laptop, try to open in Google Chrome. Right, in the Google Chrome, I have typed in the Google search IPMAT indoor exam registration. Then I got the link here, the first link. The first link that comes, you can click on it. Now this page opens where you can see all the details about admission for IPMAT batch, which is at 24, right? It has been announced on November 24th, and now here, when you go down, you have these options for domestic applicants and international applicants. As you people, most of the you people might be applying this exam from India. So this second option is what you will be taking, right? Online registration to get user ID and password. You will just click on this. The moment you click on this, a page gets loaded for you where you can first register yourself. We are not filling the form as of now, but we are registering ourselves, right? You get two pop-ups. Say okay and I agree, right? Here you have to give your details, right? For example, here they are asking your name of the candidate. Take your 10th class certificate and then look at the name. Exactly the same name should be on this uh, column, right? Suppose I am filling it, my name. This is what was my name. And then I'm selecting my gender, then selecting my category as general, right? Here you have got a pop-up saying if at all you are applying uh, in general or NCOBs or EWS category. For these people, you should be born on August 1st, or you should be born after August 1st, 2004, right? For the SC and ST people, there is relaxation of 5 years, but this is something that you need to ensure that if you are not born after 2004 August 1st, even if it is July 31st, 2004, you cannot give this exam. Okay. So if you are a person with disability, you can choose yes, else no. But what if what all you are using is, you should have your own certificate for the same from a doctor. And here you are going for the date of birth. Right, in the date of birth, you can click on this so that you can get 2004. Let me say September 15, 2004. Right, and you have to confirm your mail address, right? So here I had auto filled. So you need to see here, whatever the email address you give and the confirm email address, both should be same, right? Then you select your nationality and then country of residence India. Then give a number, give correct number, because it is asking you again confirm also. You have to give exactly that number. Check it twice or thrice. If you are using your parents' number, check it twice or thrice before giving that number, because most of the communication happens through mobile and mail ID. So once you are done with that, then you have been given one captcha. It is case insensitive. Even if it is in small letters, you can give it in caps letters. If it is in caps, you can give it in small, so no worries. Right, DF4XHA6. Ideally, it should accept. Right, here you agree that you have given the correct information, and there is an option of re-verify. Once you click on that, you will get all the information that you have given. You can just check tick the check boxes to see whether you have given the correct information or not. Just check everything and then click on the tick box. Okay, one of my students selected marital status as married. Even he is not even adult now. So be careful while filling this form, right? So here you click on submit. Now once you click on OK, so here is saying the information on the registration page once submitted cannot be modified. So this is very important because it can't be modified. These are the things which cannot be modified, right? So you click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will get this pop-up, right? So I got my personal details. Once I got my personal details, application number, and I would also have gotten user ID and password in my mobile number we given in the mail ID. So once I come to this page, I'll go to fill the application. Again, click on this. Yes. Here I am to fill my application form. Some of the details which I have already given are already there now. I have to fill the rest of the details. Father's name. I'm trying to give everything in caps. Always remember, whenever you are filling any form, try to fill everything in caps. Might be there, that won't make any difference, but always remember that whenever you're filling any forms, always fill in caps. So date of birth, mail, everything is sorted here. And then you have address in Ahmedabad, coaching. Before that, I have to give 63B coaching. Society. Society. Now run for the, yeah. Then you have to select your state and everything. Gujarat, Ahmedabad, district. You don't need to select. I think once you give the pin code, it will take care. Yes. Right. Again, there is something called as alternate mobile number. Right. If at all the mobile number that you have given is out of the recharge or not working or it's gone for any random reason, you should always have one more alternate number. Try to give that alternate number at least of your siblings or your parents or your best friends rather than giving the same number which is in your sim 2, right? If the mobile is gone, it may take time for you to retrieve both the sims, right? So you give the alternate number accordingly, right? So once you are done filling this, now you have to come to the option of uploading your passport size photograph and signature. When you are trying to upload, you have to click to upload, then you have to click on this option where you drop the files here. Make sure you would have already have the images of your photo and your signatures photo, right? And also your proof, other proof photo. All of this should be in image format, right? Now I am trying to upload what my image. First, I'll take my image from my, where is the, yes, image. Okay. Once you upload the image like this, your image will be visible here like this, right? And then you go to the signature, again do the same thing, right? Once you upload your image of the signature, your signature will be appearing here. So once you are done doing that, it will show you that it has been uploaded successfully. See, it may have some problem whenever you are uploading these things. You need to understand that these images that you are uploading should be of lesser size. If at all there are more size, this uh, option won't accept that. So what you need to do, you need to go to Google and you use the image size compressor or PDF size compressor and then compress them and then upload them. Right? Again, here you have to upload your ID proof. Right? Even you want this also in terms of image. Right? Do not upload them in terms of PDF. Right? Here my size has been more. So I'm not able to, as I told you. Right? What I need to do, I have to compress the size and then upload it. So once you're done, I mean, whenever you're uploading the photos, you have the option here to see sample size, I mean, sample photographs, how it has to be. Ensure that your background is light in color, right? Your hair is not covering your face, and your goggles are transparent. They're not of colored, right? All those things that you can check out here while clicking on it, right? Please upload scanned copy. Yeah, unless and until I complete this, I cannot go for it. Right, let's use image size reducer. I'm trying to reduce it. Let's see how much will it reduce. So now it is reduced. Now once it is reduced, I will have to download this now. I think it's downloaded. Now I'll try to upload. Let's see. Yes, it should get uploaded now. Perfect. Right? Valid file detected in image or detected in the protein ID in JPEG. I need this in JPEG or JPG formats. Okay. What do I have with me? Now I try to save this in JPG format. Okay, let's see whether it will take now or not. It should take now. Yes. Now it got successful, right? So you should ensure it is in JPG format and also it is less than 300 KB, right? Now once you're done, you will go for save and next. Right now you have to give your marks of your 10th aggregate marks in percentages you have to give. Let me give my marks 91 point. Okay, 1.83, right? Up to 2 decimal points. So you have to select your board wherever you have completed your schooling. Write its name. You have to give year of completion. Ideally, it should be 2 years before, right? If you're going to complete your 12th now. So you can also upload your scanned copy here of your mark sheet. Right? It has to be only PDF file. So which I have uploaded here, my 10th class certificate, and it is successful. Right? And then it is asking, have you completed your 12th standard? Right? Most of you are, if you're filling during March and April, you must be giving your boards. So you can say no. Right? If anybody is taking a drop and then giving it, then you can fill it completely. Here it's link candidate who are likely to complete 12th standard or equivalent by the end of July 31st can also apply subject to the meeting eligibility criteria as mentioned in the admission brochure or procedure. Right? You said no, and course type you will write it as 12th Once you click on that, then it will ask you some details like standard 12th, which board, and it will ask you institute and institute name. And then it will ask you for discipline. Like you can choose whichever it is. If it is one among these options which is given, you can select that. If at all it is not, then you can type others and then you type your respective discipline name, right? And mine is PCM, so I'll select PCM, right? Once you are done with this, you will click on save and next. Now you will come to this page where you will have to give your preferred city for giving the exam. The option here, whatever you're getting, ideally you will be getting the first preferred city unless and until you are filling the form at the end. Okay, the advantage of filling the form early is you have the option of getting into the same city that you prefer. So the first one I have given as this, second one I'll give Baroda or nearby Ahmedabad. Mm, what are other things we have? If not here, I can give Hyderabad. Ahmedabad nahi to Hyderabad. Then I go for Bangalore. If not, go for Chennai. Then we will go for TK. Let me go to Delhi. So personal interview city preference. So what is happening this time? Indore is not doing online interview, it is doing offline interview. So you are expected to give the preferred city. Right? I would go for Bombay, the first city. The second city would be Hyderabad. Right? Save on next. Right? Once you are done doing this, data saved successfully pop-up has come. Then you are here. You have to pay 4,130 rupees inclusive of the GST because I'm general. And here you say you agree, and then you say JHZW, but yeah, this is also case insensitive. You can just type whatever letter you see, right? And then you click on the submit. But before submitting it, you always have the option of preview. So once you take the preview, it will exactly give you all information about whatever you have filled, right? And later on, if you want, you could have submitted and then paid the money, right? This is how you fill the form, right? In case you get any doubt during the form filling, apart from what I have discussed, you can always ask in the chat box. We will revert you, right? All the best. Prepare well. These 45 days or 50 days that you have from the boards to the IPMAT exam. This is what you have, right? Do well.